Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the sublimation focus. In today's video, we'll discuss the best printer for waterslide printing. When printing with waterslide paper, these printers are especially for users looking for higher resolution and vibrant colors. Each printer's output is consistent, guaranteeing the same results each time. We all know that a quality printer is essential for any invitation business to succeed. To help you out, we've researched and compiled a list of the top printers for waterslide printing. Each printer offers a variety of features that will help you get the best possible results for your projects. These printers can be used in any condition, whether inside or outside. The print quality is crisp and vibrant, allowing you to create stunning designs easily. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Sawgrass UHD Virtuoso SG500 printer. The Sawgrass UHD Virtuoso SG500 sublimation color printer is an optimistic choice for waterslide printing enthusiasts. With cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features, this printer takes your creativity to new heights. The Sawgrass UHD Virtuoso SG500 is like a vibrant painter's palette, ready to bring your designs to life. Its high-definition printing capabilities ensure that every color pops with stunning clarity and precision. From vivid blues to fiery reds, this printer captures the essence of your imagination and transfers it seamlessly onto your waterslide projects. Say goodbye to dull and lackluster prints as the SG500 unleashes a world of possibilities. With its starter ink set, you have over 200 plus full coverage prints, ensuring your creativity knows no bounds. Whether you're crafting personalized mugs, sleek phone cases, or eye-catching decals, this printer delivers consistent and professional results. Embrace the convenience of the SG500's fully integrated desktop solution. Equipped with the intuitive CreativeStudio Online Designer Software, you can easily design and customize your artwork. And with the 10-piece high-color absorption sublimation blank sample pack, you can explore various mediums to create truly unique masterpieces. If you want to get this printer, then check out the link provided in the description below.